Good evening, everyone. At one point, Mississippi health officials were reporting well over 1,000 new COVID-19 cases a day. But in recent weeks, the numbers have gone down. Hospitalizations are also down, along with the number of people in ICUs. WCBI's Bobby Martinez talks with the chief medical officer at Baptist Golden Triangle about the decline, and he joins us now live in the studio with more. Bobby.
That is right, Joey. It was just last week numbers as low as 276 was reported by the Mississippi State Department of Health. And while there has been a steady decline, this does not mean the virus is fading away anytime soon.
Some positive news during some negative times.
We've been seeing a pretty rapid decline statewide and actually nationwide over the last several weeks.
You can see the trend on this Mississippi State Department of Health graphic. Just 2 weeks ago, nearly 1,000 confirmed COVID-19 patients were in Mississippi hospitals. Now that number has dropped by 200 people. The chart also shows fewer people in hospital ICUs across the state. Baptist Golden Triangle Chief Medical Officer Dr. James Martin says there are some improvements, but there's still plenty of concern.
This virus is here to stay.
As we approach flu season, as more kids return to school, and as more events start happening, the COVID-19 numbers are expected to keep moving.
We will continue to see little upticks here and there. I do think it will continue to trend down, but there will be times where you'll have some positives here and there. So we need to be cognizant of the guidelines, continue to social distance when we can, wear our masks when we cannot social distance.
Baptist Golden Triangle has 18 ICU beds, where 5 COVID-19 patients currently are receiving care. The key here is there are several beds in critical care open, which hasn't been the case. While Baptist can expand its capabilities if needed, Martin hopes people will do their part to keep the hospital beds open.
It's probably first nature to say, hey, we're better, we can stop back, but you know, we're getting past it. We need to continue doing what we've been doing. So stay the course. Let's move forward, and we'll have this beat in no time.
Martin is pleased with how the hospital has responded to the pandemic.
There's a lot of things that you read out there that are not accurate, and you know, especially here in Mississippi, we're doing well. We've got a lot of support. Baptist is a big hospital, and we've done real well as fighting this disease. And I think we'll continue that. Our staffing has been good. We've had a good plan here at Baptist, and I think everything is headed in the right direction.
Those charts and numbers that I just showed you are updated every day on the Mississippi State Department of Health website.
And here are some of those numbers to show those declines.